Okay, that's great. So, this is the video that I wanted to share. Okay, so first thing first, uh, thanks for coming to this video, and I'm really excited to share my thoughts on this related to the video, right? Cool. My friend just made a $12,499.96 using just simple these 7 Claude prompts. Okay, so let's quick about agenda, right? So we are going to talking about what are the many apps and how to find the ideas and how to build those things and how to sell and how to find the ideal customer for that and to post on the LinkedIn threads or any other social media platforms to get the customers for that particular software or a mini product, right? So the first thing first is very important with capturing the ideations, right? So whatever the skills that we have, whatever the human skills and whatever the basic skills that we have, based on top of that only we are gonna building the mini web apps, right? So one is this prompt, the mini web app ideas. The idea is very simple. So the prompt is very simple. The act as a product strategies for tiny front end only web apps sold through written social media platforms like Thread, Twitter, any other platforms, right? So you need to mention your niche and expertise and also your target audience, like whether it could be professional students or any founders, co-founders, any other stuff like that. So you are directly asking to give me a 5 mini web app ideas for the audience ranked by easy of build and income potential. For each ideas include the what the app does and what the users can do with the app, each main screens needed and why the audience wanted to buy this kind of a particular service or product, right? So then for each idea include, that's one is over. And the reason why this prompt works is because you giving the cloud context and establishing the guardrails, the front end app only, right? Your niche, your audience, the problem, expertise, everything. So this prompt is doing lightweight market research and also the brainstorming, the product brainstorming, and it's ranking the easy of the build and the income potential. The combination of these most the combination of the matters because most people either pick something too complicated or to build something nobody wants to pay for that particular product. So when it's come to filling the blanks, and you need to pay attention to the niche, be specific with that. Is there any changes to or the product is solving the particular pain problem for the particular users, right? So these are the terminologies or the things that we need to keep in mind. So don't say wellness instead of burnout recovery for 30 plus working moms, right? Don't say fitness instead of we can say strength training for women over 40, like that. So the more context that you give, the more output it will be, the better generations, right? So for the problem, use the language for your audience actually uses, not the they struggle with the time management. Say never have more than 20 minutes to work on their business, and they feel like always behind. So that's the, and also we need to have the 5 ideas that potentially sell to the customers. So once they have that, it will provide a set of ideas. So based on the idea that we are gonna building some, maybe we can also say the MVP or a minimum viable product prototyping. So based on the idea, with a clean detailed vibe coding prompt, I need to paste for the cloud bold.no lovable cursor. These are the platforms, and this is the steps that we are gonna be taking and the thing. So everything like a quick win for the first 60 seconds part, and separates the good mini web apps and from the great one. People buy because they want result, but they stay and they refer you because felt something in the first minute. The faster your app gives someone on the moment, how moment does did the work for me, the more revenue potential you will have when it's come to this building these kind of particular products. So your customer gets a first interaction with you, and they get transformation under text faster than with a ebook particularly. So then we are gonna like after building the product using Lovable, so we can also use some platforms like Base 44, Lovable, Claude, everything. So I use particularly Claude for cloud coding and the particular for prompt generation. So if you want to go with the building apps, so you can go with a Base 44 or a Lovable, or you can also go with the Lovable for web mini apps or a web applications, right? So based on the prompting, like it will give you the like the 5 to 6 kind of a thread or Instagram or any kind of a Twitter or LinkedIn, these kind of a post. So that says that like everything, and it helps the target audience to transformation result, and my name is like this kind of a things, and everything is gonna be using this in particular prompt. Okay, so this is the carousel prompt, like how the product works, and 2 to 5 slides of the promptings, everything about the app. So like we can just need to take a screenshot of that, like how it works and how it helps to the people to the use. So this is to click a create a thread post prompt. So like we are gonna creating the using some CTAs and the copywriting skills under 200 words, everything is laid in the prompting, this kind of the slides. So this one is like when we get into the emails, so it will provide the lot of the first initiative of the email, so that we can addressing the our product with mini product. So based on that, the user can use it and like get some ideal customers over there, right? So email, second email, third email, fourth email, like that. So these are the tones, everything is there. So we just need to go through that, so to write the first email. So how to get the first 10 emails is like you just like you can use your friend circle, or ever have any like the particular groups like product hunt, any WhatsApp groups, like that. So that could be helpful. So this one is a DM message. So once you email to the particular people, then you can go to the threads, and threads, Twitter, X or Instagram, LinkedIn, everything. So you just need to like promote your product by yourself itself. So just saying that, so the DM sequence, someone who commented on the keyword, so you can post about your topic, and I sell many with apps, app core name, and that helps the audience to achieve the results like this, right? So message one, deliver the link warmly, send 24 hours later transformation story about someone who is also got the results, and send 48 hours later with a soft invite and a purchase, right? So this kind of like at the tone, and message 2, message 1, message 3, like that. So this these are all 7 prompts to create a mini web app by understanding the user pain points or the user customer wants, right? So this is the thing. So please comment down below if you have any ideas or thoughts on the particular app idea, or the mini apps, or any kind of a particular startup ideas. So I'll definitely gonna like reply to those comments. And so if you need full these kind of a PDF documentation, you can comment, or like you can access in the my description. So review them. So let's 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 gather time. So have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be keep posting on the videos and lectures every week, and you can be on top of that in the every AI world, right? So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.